second way of looking at reports and obtaining a trial balance is to go to the Report Center. So we're going to click on the Report Center, and you will see that there are different ways of displaying the reports. Currently it's set so that you see a grid view of the reports. So on the top we see standard profit and loss statement, a detailed one, a comparison between 2 years, and a comparison between previous years. If we go to this view here, then we present it differently. Here we see a list view, which you will see is rather like doing it from the main reports menu, like a drop-down menu. Or alternatively, there is a third way of presenting them, and that's as a carousel. So you can see that what happens as we pull each report up, it's rather like dealing with a pack of cards. Now, in all of these, you need to know where to start. So you don't want to start at the top of the deck and work through them all. So if we want something like a trial balance, we go to the accountant and taxes. So that makes it slightly easier to find. But one of the ways in which you can use this is to say, okay, I'm only going to use one or two reports fairly frequently. So I'm going to take the trial balance, for example. I'm going to mark that as a favorite report. Look what other reports I've got. General ledger, transaction, a journal. Now I know that in your projects you're often asked to produce journals, so we'll call that a favorites report as well. There's not a great deal on anything else down there, so I'll go to the company and financial. A profit and loss report is used fairly frequently, so I will mark that as a favorite one. That's in the details and so on. So all we're doing now is really saying what we could do is sift through these and just select out those that we want. And it doesn't matter whether you do it from this view or from a list view. But what will happen next is if I go into the favorites, what we will see is now just the reports that I've selected. So we can do a profit and loss report, a standard trial balance report, and a journal report. And again, for each of these, to display them, we would merely double click down there to display the report. So that's a second way of producing reports. Okay, thank you.